We want everybody can enjoy with us, and we want everybody can have fun and do the DIY, right? So we have a song to wake everybody up. Okay. So now we're gonna sing a song, but later on in the song, you will hear a lot of keywords that you have already read in the napping house. So the first one, you will hear granny. So you need to come up with the action to stand for granny. You can either do this, okay, your granny, or you can walk very slowly to present that is granny, or anything you like. I would prefer this, okay? And second, you will hear child. My child is very happy, so this is my child. And the third one is dog. Dog, woof. This is my dog. And let me see. The other one is, I see, is cat. Meow. And is choo. It's a mouse. And the last one is a little flea. They all are in a napping house when everybody is sleeping. Okay, so you have already know the stories. So now you can use the 5 little finger puppies retell. So you can use these that we mentioned in the last lesson. 上一堂课，小朋友们，我们是不是已经提到这5大元素，帮助你去复习你的绘本，对不对？所以呢，接下来你也可以用 Who are the characters? Where is the setting? And what's the problem? What's the happening? And what's the end? What's the solution? 所以呢，一样可以用这个方式来帮助你 retell the story。但是，小朋友，你会不会觉得里面的角色好像很多？有 granny， 有 child， cat， dog and mouse。flea 好多，我记不太得，所以这边 Cindy 老师跟你分享，我有一个 story popsicle. Look at this. What is this? It's a bed. It's a bed. It's a bed. It's not bad. We say Eric bed. Okay. So this is a bed. Who is going to on the bed? Okay. 顺序是什么？所以这时候你有好多选项，对不对？你有 child, you have granny, you have dog, you have cat, you have mouse, you have flea. But 如果今天顺序错了，如果我今天是第一个躺在床上是 flea, then the second one if it's a granny, 那怎么样？我的 flea 就被我的 granny 压死了，对不对？smash flea, okay? So we need to know the size first. Granny is bigger. It's bigger than the flea. Flea is smaller than granny. Granny is bigger than the flea. Flea is smaller than granny. You know big. You know small. Big and small. Small and big. Big, small, big. You know this one. But if we want to compare two things, one is bigger, one is smaller. Okay, remember ER at the end, Bigger, smaller. For example, like, I have dog. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? The dog, right? So the dog is bigger than the flea. Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? The flea, right? So the flea is smaller than the dog. Very good. How about my child and mouse? Which one is big? This one, okay? So easy one. The child is bigger than the mouse. The mouse is smaller. Very good. Smaller than the child. Very nice. 所以呢，接下来你已经知道这一本故事 我们 retell the story 的小技巧了，顺序是已经在你的脑袋里了。那我们来试试看 ，OK? So the first one should be Granny, okay? When everybody is sleeping. But now you have your child. Everybody's sleeping, okay? And the dog, very good. And the cat. So you can observe the size. 你可以知道它们的大小，来帮助你 retell the story. And I have mouse. The last one is flea. After you finish this story sticks, you can use this with your story together and to read the flow and you know the order to retell the story. Okay? 所以接下来呢，你已经会 retell the story 了，你已经很厉害了。但是你还记得吗？你刚刚把谁都吵起来了。You wake up the granny, the child, the dog, the cat, the mouse, and who? The flea. 所以现在 everybody， 我们今天是要做 DIY time. Okay? In this DIY, we are going to make a balanced bed. 我们要做一个怎么样有平衡感的床 ，a balanced bed. Last time, because you have the experiments of the little red hen, you know how to make a scale. 如果你已经做过磅秤了，你就会知道 what is balance. Balance means you need to be stable. Two sides need to be the same weight. But in this balanced bed, it means stable. It cannot shake. Okay? 所以我们今天要做一个很有平衡感的床。Why? Because all the characters in the stories are what? Are very sleepy. So we need to make a balanced bed for them to sleep well in the bed. Okay? So what do you need for your DIY? First, you need 4 clothespins. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need 4 clothespins. 晒衣夹，每一个人都有 ，OK？ 非常简单。Second, you need some popsicles. I have 8 of them. I have my 8 popsicle. 一样是冰棒棍，非常好用的。在你每一次 DIY， 你基本上都会用到这样的 popsicle. Then I need you to prepare 6 plastic cup. OK， 我需要你准备6个不同的杯子，一样的杯子 ，OK， 但是有6个。Then you can stick on the sticker. 把角色的图片给贴上去。Then you can make a balanced bed. How? 要怎么做一个 balanced bed 呢 ？First, so now I need my clothespin combined with my popsicle. See? 这样子的 popsicle, 我的床一个 side 就做好了。Okay? And the second, I also need my clothespin combined with my popsicle. So these are the 2 sides of my bed. One side and the second side. Then I have my popsicle ready. So I need to put it here, make it balance, okay? Don't make it shake. So 我要确认它都不会摇。Okay? So, and, okay, my last popsicle. 可能没有位置了，我要移过来一点点。Okay, so this is my bed. This is my bed. Very excited. Okay, finally. Okay, now these are all my characters. 小朋友一边做 DIY， 你嘴巴要怎样？一边做，你的手一边动，嘴巴要一边说。The first one character is my granny. See, my grandma is right here. Second one is which one? Is my child. 所以要小心哦，不可以让它倒下来哦。Okay, the third one is my dog. They are all sleeping. Okay. Okay. My Bible, not shaking, and you have your characters already in the bed. 所以小朋友们，你回家试试看，你的手有没有一直摇动？你有没有平衡感？你的脑子有平衡感，你的身体有平衡感，也要看你的手有没有平衡感。OK， 所以这个小游戏是你可以在这个假日和爸爸妈妈一起玩的，看看谁能够排出一个 balanced bed, and all the characters are in the bed, very balanced. OK， 所以这个时候小朋友们 ，Teacher Cindy, OK， 他会挡住 Teacher Cindy 的脸。OK， Then 小朋友，我希望你回家的时候，你可以跟你的爸爸妈妈、兄弟姐妹站在镜子前面。OK， you everybody look in the mirror, and you need to know the size. Who is bigger? Who is smaller? Maybe your father is the biggest one, bigger than everybody. Maybe you are the smaller one, even the smallest in your family. Okay? So bigger, smaller, you can compare with each other. And I want you to sing if everybody in the napping house. 你可以替换歌词 My father is in the napping house. My mother is in the napping house. Okay, you can 替换歌词来跳一首属于你们家的歌。Second, you can make this story popsicle. Stick on your family picture. 你可以把爸爸妈妈的照片都贴在上面，做一个 story popsicle stick. Okay, story stick. Third, 非常好玩的，可以把爸爸妈妈的图片贴在杯子上面，做一个属于你们全家的 storytelling DIY. Okay, so this DIY is very easy, engaging, and everybody's love it. Okay, so wish you have a wonderful weekend with your daddy, mommy, grandfather, grandmother, granny, dog, cat, mouse, flea, everybody. Okay, happy weekend. Bye bye. See you next time.